Hello, good afternoon everyone. In my previous class, I had discussed string methods and continuing the string methods concept. And another method in the string is the string is aluminum is alphanumeric characters or not. Here in this method checks whether the string consisting of alphanumeric characters, and here the string. The syntax for the method is called a string dot. Here dot is considered as an instance operator. By using we can call the string methods. So string dot is alphanumerical method, and it returns the nothing. It returns no value, and it has no parameters, and it returns some value. It returns the true if the all characters in the string are alphanumerical and there is at least one character. It returns false otherwise. But that means the string the string checks for the string has alphabets as well as numerics also. And here consider the small program on this string alphanumeric method. Here we have taken here I have taken a string that is this 2016. This is the string I have taken, and then printing the string with the and calling the if is alphanumeric method. String dot is alphanumeric method, and printing the value. And next I have taken a small print statement, and then initializing, and next taken another string statement, that is the string. This is the string example, and then printing the this is dot string dot is aluminum. And then here we have taken I have taken two strings. First one is the this is 2016, and the other string is the this is the string example. And then I have performed string dot is aluminum method on alphanumeric method on both strings. The values the results of it produce the following result. First one is string dot is aluminum. Yes, is true. First string has this 2016. This 2016 has both letters and numbers. That's why the output out for the this 2016 is true. And next string example is this is string example. This is the string, and then here I have performed the string dot alphanumerical method, but returns the value is false. Why? Because it doesn't have any numbers. That's why it returns the value as false. And this is about the string alphanumeric method. And then we have another method in the string that is called the string is alpha method. Is alpha. So is alpha method checks whether the string consisting of alphabetical characters only. And here the syntax for the this method is the string dot alpha is alpha, and it returns no parameters, and it has no parameters, and returns some true value if all characters in the string are alphabetic, and there is no and at least one character it returns false otherwise. And then we have taken a small example. Here I have taken a string is equal to this, and then print the statement string dot is alpha, checking string dot is alpha. And then I have taken another string called this is string example, and then I is applying the method string dot is alpha. So for the string this for the string this is alpha method returns the value true. Why? Because this string has only 4 characters THIS, whereas the string this is a string example as it is also one string, but it doesn't but it has it returns a false value. Why? Because string dot is alpha, it consisting of some spaces and special characters also. That's why it doesn't it returns the value as false. This is something about the is alpha numeric. And then another method is the string is digit method. So it checks whether the string consisting of digits only, and then this method called as a string dot is digit. And then it returns no it has no parameters, and it returns the value true if all the characters in the string are digits, and there is at least one character it returns false. And then I have taken a small example. I have a string that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then printing the 1 2 3 4 5 6 using the each digit. And then I have another string is called this is the string example, and then printing the same each digit operation. So for the string 1 2 3 4 5 6 the each digit sends the value true. Why? Because 1 2 3 4 5 6 all are numbers, so no characters is enclosed in double quotes, that's why it returns the value as true. And another string, this is the string example, this is in this string there is no character, that's why it returns the value as false. And next we have another string method is called the lower method. It checks whether all case based letters of the string are lowercase. This is the syntax is the string dot lowercase is lowercase, and it has no parameters, and it returns the true if all characters in the strings are lowercase and there is at least one case character is false otherwise. Here I have taken a small example. This first one is the THIS, this all four are capital letters, is a string example. Then printing the statement string dot is lower, and then I have taken another string, this all are small characters, so so for the first string I have taken the first four characters in the string enclosed are the capital letters, that's why it returns the false value. And in second statement all are in lowercase, that's why it returns the value as true. That is about the is lower method of the string. And next we have another method called is a numeric method. So this method checks whether the string consisting of only numbers, and this method is present only on Unicode objects. So it following syntax string dot is numeric, and it returns it has no parameters, and it returns the value true if all characters in the string are numeric and false otherwise. And then I have taken two strings. First string is the this 2016, it has both characters as well as numbers. And another string that is the 23443434, it is the other string, it has no characters, it has only digits. So I am performing the isonumeric operation on both the strings. First result is false, second result is true. And then I have another method called ispace method. By using this method checks whether string consisting of white spaces, that means space, syntax is string dot ispace, and it has no parameter, it returns the value true if there are only white space characters in the string and there is at least one character, it returns false. Here I have taken the blank space that is enclosed in double quotes and calling the method string dot ispace, and then taken another statement, this is string example, and then calling the method string dot ispace, and executing these statements I have got the result as true and false. So these are the methods, and remaining methods also there. I shall discuss these methods in the next class. Please try to like the videos, and doubts if you have any, please comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you all, have a nice day.